I can capture this, but now we're getting microwaved. Try to capture it. Chem to death. Now microwaved. Like little chickens. Oh, frequencies. Frequencies. They're still having a good old time. Frequencies. Oh yeah, moving this stuff along. Crazy sky. None of this is natural. None. Zero. Should have been a nice, beautiful, clear day, but nope. Gotta mess with it all. Wow. Yep, they turned it on. Turned it on. Ooh, look at that big dark spot right there. Interesting. Hi, little Mr. Sunshine. I see you behind there. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I'm getting it all today. Yeah. Beautiful. Alrighty then. Sun comes to a set. The chems keep going on and on and on and on. And the frequencies and the chems and the chems and the frequency. And gee, I wonder why I got sick for Christmas. Doesn't surprise me. I gotta get out of here. What the heck are they doing there? Ooh, birds. Hi, birds. Hi, birds. These are beautiful birds. I saw an eagle from here. That was cool. Never saw a bald eagle before, but I have now. Dang. Heck. That's some crazy stuff in there. Yep. Anyways, this has been my whole entire day. Just bombarded over my head. Over my head. Frequencies over my head. Got chems over my head. Got frequencies. Think I'm going cuckoo. Cuckoo. Wow, look at all that. Puffers. Frequency puffers. What the hell? Wow. Yep. I know I can't get them like I can see them. Oh, there comes another buddy. Hi, buddy. Hey, buddy. It just non-stop, 24/7. And that looks like one of those Not-A-Jets. Doesn't look real. Alrighty then. All my videos are the same. This is not what I started my channel for. No. this is what it's become. Planet X. Planet X Watcher. The X Watcher. I'm now just should be the X Watcher. Forget the planet. But this is a planet. We're on a planet. Spirals. Spiraling. Wow. Alrighty then. We'll see what happens in a little while. I think I'm done for today. I can't handle it anymore. There's a point where you just can't handle it anymore. Crazy. Alrighty. I'm turning you off. That dude's going straight up. Boom, 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 ba-da-doom, boom, boom. Boom, 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 da-doom, boom, boom. Boom, boom. I think I've been listening to too many boomer cars. Such a crazy, crazy sky. I think they need to start coloring inside the lines. This is get it all messed up. They're little messy colors. Oh yeah. I could hear my ears ringing. Anyhow, this is how the day ends. They're still making lines. Let's get in there and dig into those lines. Look at that. Look at that. That's gone. Yeah. It's just going straight up. Straight up. Well, maybe they're shooting rockets. Dirty rockets. I don't know. Anyhow, there's still a little white liner in there. So crazy. It's unbelievable. Wow. Anyhow, I gotta put this off. My arms are gonna fall off for whatever reason. Alright, bye.